Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to silence notifications on your Windows 10 computer when you're performing specific actions or during specific times. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Settings. Best match should come back with Settings right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the System tile. Select Focus Assist on the left side. Now you will see we have many options under here underneath Automatic Rules. So if you want to disable notifications during specific hours, you can turn this on. And then by selecting or clicking on this option, you can select the start and end times for these hours. So if you want to set it during the day, you're welcome to. Just by clicking inside these numbers, then you can set exactly what time you want it to start and end down to the nearest minute. So that's definitely cool. And you can also change the focus level to either priority alerts as well as alarms only. So pretty straightforward. And then if we go back, you can change additional settings here. So if you're duplicating your display, so if you're giving a presentation or something, you probably do not want notifications popping up during that time, so you just keep that on. And again, focus level either alarm or priority only. And if we go back, you can also change it for when you're playing a game. So if you're playing a game full screen, you probably don't want notifications coming up as well. And again, these will all show in the notification section of the Action Center if you keep these checkmarked, which they all have been previously. You can disable that if you choose to do so, but it should not alert you though. And then it's also when I'm using an app in full screen mode. So again, if you're full screen, you don't want it taking you out of full screen mode for a notification, so that's on as well. So pretty straightforward feature there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.